every day we learn a lot of things, but if we have to practice to speak with other people, we have some mistake. We make some mistake. That is normal because, for example, I'm not English the native. English is not my first language. English is my because I speak French, Arabic, and three other local language. English is my the five language number five. Make mistake in this case is not a problem, but if I make mistake, I have to fix that and correct that and learn and church to know, find out what is the correct way to say. Don't worry about the mistake. Don't afraid. No scare. Get to ask if it is necessary, if it is possible to know what is the correct way to say that or to write or to fix that, and keep with your learning English.